when sourcing for coconut, look for sweet coconut. You've gotten your oil already. You've gotten your oil already. Hello, welcome to the Diary of an African Woman, Afro Woman Diary. Today I'll be showing you how to make your coconut oil at home. The simple steps you need to take for you to achieve coconut oil. The first step is get a very good coconut. And the thing you should look out for when selecting coconut or buying coconut from the market is to get matured coconut. The first thing first is we are going to break our coconut. Wow. We are done breaking our coconut. As you can see, some turned out to be whole, while some keep scattered. The next thing is we are removing the meat, the coconut meat from the shell. You have to be very careful. Help you in your search for matured coconut. Look for coconut that is sweet. Don't just, at least in my experience of making coconut oil, it's just an advice. Look for the coconut. Look for coconut that are sweet. After breaking and removing the coconut meat from the shell, this is it. Look at it. I think there are like 12 pieces of coconut here. So I'll just return the coconut shell back. And this is also useful. You can use it for these are 12 pieces of coconut, and this is what it looks like. Look at the shell. After raising this, we'll have to chop it in a tiny little bit for us to be able to blend it properly. Matured coconut don't have blend. We're going in for the second raisin. You can see how clean it is. We are going to chop it, like I've said before. Industrially, you don't have to do this, but because it is homemade, and basically because of the type of blender I'm having, some of you might not even have to go through this rigorous stress of what I'm doing, but because of the kind of blender I'm having, I have to cut it out in tiny bits so as to allow the blender blend it properly, or it's going to wreak havoc to my blender, and I don't want that to happen. We are almost done. At some point, I left the chop board and then I had to do it my hands because this was faster. This was fast. Took a test. I tasted this. We are done chopping. You can see my hands are shining already. This is how it looks after chopping it. So I'll put it right there. So it's time for us to grate. That's what I'm preparing. Check for the So I'm washing the I'm gonna raise it again for the last time. No. And see. Look, I'll bring it close. As you can see, I've literally washed the milk off the shaft of the coconut. See now, this is we're pouring this here again. Yeah. We're going to come back after 24 hours. So we are done sieving, and then we have to keep this for 24 hours. Then we'll come back and check. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe, like, share, and also comment. I want to know your experience of how you made your own coconut oil. Thank you so much. By the way, I'll just clean up this, and we are done. This is the shaft of the coconut milk. Thank you so much for watching, and please, if you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe. Thank you. Welcome back. Thank you so much for watching. This is 24 hours already. As you can see, if you can see closely, the water has been separated from the cream. What we're going to do now is we are going to scoop out the cream into the pot, and we would pour the water away because water is of no use. So let's get right into it. As you can see, ooh. Out the water. The outcome of fermentation may vary, but you follow the process thoroughly. Finally, we've extracted the cream from the water, but I was add that there's something about this water is still oily, but that is by the way. We'll just put this on the fire and would give it low heat. You might be wondering, why is there water? Don't worry, since water will evaporate, you can just allow it. So you have to apply low heat. Now let me show you something. See how my hands are shining already. This is the reason why I'm telling you this, that when sourcing for coconut to make your coconut oil, look for matured coconut. Don't just randomly select coconut. Look for matured coconut. And now I want to give you a little secret. Is when sourcing for coconut, check for the sweet coconut. Check for sweet coconut, because sweet coconut give you the oil you're looking for, because this is sweet coconut I'm using. As you can see, it's still on fire. We'll give it a little bit of time. It has to be on low heat. Do not forget. That's what for my day. I'm gonna reduce the heat a bit. Yeah. See. In my long years of making coconuts, I've experienced so many, but this is one thing that I will tell you, and I'm still going to tell you, is that when you're sourcing for coconut, don't source for any kinds of coconut. Oh, you are seeing coconut on the street, you buy, it's going to produce your coconut oil. It's not going to produce any coconut oil for you. It will not. When sourcing for coconut, look for sweet coconut. You've gotten your oil already. Look at this. See this. Look at this. Are you seeing this? When sourcing for coconut, look for sweet coconut. Look for sweet coconut, matured coconut. And I'm going to ask you a question. So I want to ask you guys a question. Which region in Africa has the sweetest coconut? Which region in Africa has the sweetest coconut? I have my own opinion, and I know you have your opinion, and based on your experiences, you've experienced so many kinds of coconut. But tell me which region has the sweetest coconut in the comment section. Thank you. This is still showing that there's still water in it. You just have to be patient. After extracting the cream from the water, I observed something, that the water has oil I cannot explain. Are you seeing this? I'm going to do it again for you to see. The water has oil I cannot explain. What's this? See, there's no water in this. As an African woman that I am, I will not dispose this. Instead, I will produce another kind of oil. I'll produce cold pressed. So I'll go for cold press. And the only way you can do it, one of the ways you can do it is by putting it inside freezer. So I'm going to put it inside freezer and I'm going to see the outcome of it. Because you can't tell me, look at this. I send it again. Look at this. See how clean it is now. So I will just cover it. I thought I could extract, see oil there. Can you see the oil? I'll just pour it back. I'll pour it back and then, first of all, I'll leave it under the sun for a while. I'll leave it there for a while and then, at least by the end of today, I will just put it inside the freezer. Let's come to look at this. See? Can you see this? As you can see, because we don't want the color to change to yellow, we have to quickly remove it. Currently, it's very hot, so we have to be very careful. As you can see, it's very hot, so I would like to cool down for a while and then we'll come back to it. As you can see, the oil has no water in it. See? If you're enjoying this video, kindly like, kindly subscribe, and also follow us on our different social media platforms. Leave a comment, like, and also follow. Thank you so much. Thank you. Let's see the color of this. If you've not liked this video, please and please kindly like. If you like what you see, like the video. Are you seeing this? But this is coconut oil. Thank you so much for watching. This is a diary of an African woman, Afro Woman Diary. Thank you. See you next time.